When you open your Google Classroom, this is the view that will be presented to you. There's 3 sections along the top: Stream, which is always the opening view, and this is where you can post your assignments and your announcements. Student section is where you have the class code. If you need to display this in your classroom, just drop this menu down and click on Display. And finally, the About section is where you can add information about your course. You can add class material here, material that you would like your students to view, by just clicking on the plus sign here. And then you can link to a YouTube, link to a website, or upload material straight from your drive. And then just post. The other thing you can do on the About section is invite other teachers. Just by clicking on here and typing in their email address, you can automatically invite them.